Zinc deficiency can lead to various health issues, including impaired immune function, delayed wound healing, and decreased growth and development. It may also cause hair loss, skin problems, and fertility issues. Additionally, cognitive function and mood can be affected due to the role zinc plays in neurotransmitter regulation, including zinc-rich foods in your diet, such as meat, dairy, nuts, and seeds, can help prevent deficiency. If you suspect a deficiency, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice. Zinc deficiency can contribute to feelings of depression, as zinc plays a role in neurotransmitter function and overall brain health. Zinc deficiency has been associated with an increased risk of developing major depressive disorder. It can impact the brain's ability to adapt to stress and may influence the function of the hippocampus, a region crucial for emotional regulation. Prioritizing zinc-rich foods or supplements can be beneficial, but consulting a healthcare professional is crucial for personalized advice. Loss of senses, such as sight, hearing, taste, or smell, can be indicative of various medical conditions. If you're experiencing a sudden or gradual loss of any of your senses, it's crucial to seek medical attention promptly. Do like and subscribe.